Good morning, Primary 4. We will explain the last session from Unit 2, okay, in geometry. Our lesson today is triangle, okay? Triangle is a polygons, have three sides, have three angles, have three vertices, okay, as we know. Today we will explain the types of triangle, okay? We have to know two types or two way to know the types of triangles. First way, according to measure of its angle, okay? We have three types: right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, okay? Right angle triangles, that mean this triangle have one right angle triangle, okay, and two acute. Here we have in acute angle triangles three acute angles, so we will call this, or we say this triangle is called acute angle triangle. Here obtuse angle triangles, because we have here obtuse angle, okay, so we have here one obtuse angle and two acute angle, okay. Second way to know the types of triangle according to the length of its sides. Here we have equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, okay. In equilateral triangles, we have 1, 2, 3. Three sides are equal in length. That means AB equal BC equal CA. Okay? And from this shape, we will explain this, or we will note this. Three angles are equal in measure. Okay? So, we have here three equal lengths. So, we have three equal angles, okay. Here we have isosceles triangles, that mean xy equal yz only, okay. So we have two sides are equal in length only, okay, and we have here two angles. The angles opposite this sides are equal in length, so angles of y equal, angles of equal in measure, okay. We have here angle y and angle z is equal in measure, okay. In scalene triangle, we have the three sides are different in length, okay. That means LM not equal MN not equal LN, okay. And we have here the three angles are different in measure, okay. So we note this: if we have three sides are equal in length, so we have three angles are equal in measure. If we have two sides are equal in length, we have two angles are equal in measure. If we have here three different lengths, so we have three different angles, okay. We have very important notes, okay. Here the equilateral triangle is an isosceles triangle. That means if we have equilateral triangles, three sides are equal in length, okay. So we have every two sides are equal in length also in equilateral triangle. So we can call equilateral triangles as isosceles triangle. Second note, the isosceles triangle isn't an equilateral triangle, okay. So we have here, if we have isosceles triangles, okay, so it's not equilateral because we have different sides. Here we can't draw triangle with two obtuse angle, okay. We can't draw triangle with two right angle. So any triangle has at least two acute angles. In the right angle triangle, the sum of the measures of the two acute angle is 90 degrees, okay. Here is very important: the sum of the measures of the internal angles of any triangle 180, okay. First, complete. The triangle is polygons that have three sides and three angles, okay. Number two, if the side lengths of triangles are different, then the triangle is called scalene. Number three, the sum of measure of the two acute angle is the right angle triangle is 90. The triangle whose side lengths are 8 and 6 and 3 centimeter is called scalene because it's difference. We have here number 5, 30 degree, 40 degree and 110 are measure of angles of, because we have here obtuse angle, so the triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. We have here 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree are the measure of angles of points or space triangle. We have here 90 degree, so we have here 90 degree, so it's right angle triangle. In this example, we have in the triangle ABC, if the measure of angles A equal 57 and the measure of angle B is 46, then measure of angle C equal, we have here the sum of measures of all angles in a triangle. We have 180, so we will do this 180 minus two angles we have already 57 plus 46. Okay, so we have here 180 minus 103 equal 77. Okay, in the triangle XTZ, if the measure of x equals 70 and the measure of y equal measure of z, then measure of z equal, so we have here 180 minus 70. Okay, we have already 70 here, okay, equal 110. So we have here one angles also, okay, one angles only, okay, and here we have 110. It's sum of the two or the others angles. So we have y equal z, so this numbers 110 divided by 2 equal 55, okay. So we have here angle z equal 55. In this question, both right or wrong. There can be 3 acute angles in one triangle, right. In the triangle ABC, if the measure of A equal 40 and measure of B equal 50, then the triangle is right angle triangles. Okay, so we have here 40 plus 50, it's 90. Okay, 90. So we have 100 minus 90. We will have the other angles is 90 degrees, so it's right angle triangle. Here, there can be a right angle and an obtuse angle in one triangle. It's wrong. The measure of the straight angles equal the sum of the measure of angles of triangle. Yes, because the measure of straight angles is 180 and the sum of the measure of angles of triangles is 180 also. Okay, so it's right. The equilateral triangle is an isosceles triangle, right. There can be 2 right angles in one triangle. It's wrong. Here, if we solve this problems, okay, by a long division way, we will see that's wrong, right. Okay. Number 8. The place value of the circle digit in the number, this number, 100,000. Okay, so we will see this unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So for it's 10,000 and here 100,000. So this question is wrong. Here we have in 278 equal 40 by 90, 14 by 19 plus 12. The remainder is 19. So in these problems we have already rules. Okay, what's the meaning of rules? When mommy outside door, their baby are fighting. Okay, and the remainder is follow it. So we have here dividend equal divided by dividends equal divisor by quotients plus remainder. Okay, so we have here 12 as remainder, and in this example he say 19 is remainder, so it's wrong. Here to draw triangles, okay, we have 2 ways, okay, or 2 questions. First way, our first questions, he will give you side, angle, side, like this. Draw triangles ABC in which AB equal 4 centimeter, its sides, first side, and AC equal 7 centimeter, its second side, and measure of A equal 65. Okay, as the first we will draw the base of this triangle. I will take the big numbers here or big sides here. Okay, we have AC equal 7 centimeter. Okay, 7 centimeter from 0 to 7, and we have here protractor. I will put the center of protractor here. Okay, and I will see this. Okay, so we have here from point here, and I will count the angles of A. It's 65 from here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, 65. So I will have here point and take it in my ruler. Okay, but I will measure 4 centimeter only. Okay, and I will close my triangle. Okay, like this. That's only. Okay, second way to give you sides, angle, sides, like this, sides, angle, sides. Okay, we have here triangle ABC in which AB equal 10 centimeter and measure of A equal 55 and measure of B equal 35. Okay, so it's have angle and it's have sides and angle. First we have here my ruler and I will take line AB. It's 10 centimeter. Okay, second I will have my protractor here. Okay, it's A and B. My protractor here, the center here is from these points, and I will count from the lines. So we have here angle A equal 55, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. So we have line like this. Okay, and I will take my protractor, put it in the side. We have here P. Okay, my center of protractor here, and I will count the numbers or count the angles from the sides. Okay, so we have here, okay, 0, 10, 20, 30, 35. Okay, so as we see, we are finished this triangle. Okay, but he asked me questions. He say A as the measures of C or angle C equal, so we have two angles. Okay, so as we know here, the sum of all triangles angles here 180 minus the two angles he gave me 55 and 35. Okay, I will put it in this way, and 55 plus 35 equal 90. So 180 minus 90 equal 90 degree. Okay, so we have here the type of angles ABC according to the measure of each angle and to the length of its sides. Okay, so we have here right angle, so it's right angle triangle. Okay, and according its sides, so we have here this difference from this, so we have scalene triangle. Okay, Okay, so we are finished today. Bye bye.